MBA Crash Course, Business Model Innovation in Entrepreneurial Finance. Introduction. Welcome to the MBA Crash Course on Business Model Innovation in Entrepreneurial Finance. In today's rapidly changing business landscape, the ability to innovate and adapt is crucial for sustained success. This course aims to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of business model innovation and how entrepreneurial finance plays a vital role in fueling innovation and growth. We will explore various concepts, strategies, and techniques to help you navigate the dynamic world of business and entrepreneurship. So let's dive in! Part 1, Business Model Innovation. Business model innovation is the process of reimagining and redesigning the fundamental aspects of a business to create new value propositions, revenue streams, and competitive advantages. It involves challenging existing business models and exploring new ways of creating, delivering, and capturing value. Business model innovation can lead to disruptive changes within industries and drive significant growth and profitability. Now, let's explore some interesting stories and examples that highlight the power of business model innovation. Story 1, Netflix's transformation. Back in the late 1990s, Netflix started as a DVD by mail rental service, challenging traditional brick-and-mortar video rental stores. However, they recognized the changing landscape of digital media and shifted their business model to online streaming. This bold move disrupted the entire entertainment industry and revolutionized the way we consume movies and TV shows. Story 2, Airbnb's disruption. Airbnb, a popular online marketplace for short-term accommodations, introduced a unique business model that challenged traditional hotel chains. By leveraging the sharing economy concept, Airbnb connected homeowners with travelers, providing affordable and personalized lodging options worldwide. Their platform disrupted the hospitality industry and created new opportunities for both hosts and guests. These stories demonstrate the transformative power of business model innovation. By reimagining their industries and embracing new technologies and consumer behaviors, companies like Netflix and Airbnb achieved remarkable success. Now, let's delve into the top 12 business model innovation techniques. Top 12 business model innovation techniques. Value proposition design, identifying and designing unique value propositions that address customer needs and differentiate from competitors. Customer segmentation, dividing the market into distinct customer segments and tailoring offerings to meet their specific needs. Channel innovation, exploring new distribution channels to reach customers more effectively and efficiently. Revenue model innovation, developing innovative pricing strategies and exploring alternative revenue streams to capture value. Platform thinking, creating digital platforms that connect multiple stakeholders and facilitate value exchange. Business ecosystems, collaborating with partners, suppliers, and customers to create mutually beneficial ecosystems that drive value creation. Data monetization, leveraging data analytics and insights to create new revenue opportunities and enhance customer experiences. Servitization, shifting from product-centric to service-centric business models, providing added value through complementary services. Blue ocean strategy, identifying untapped market spaces and creating uncontested market spaces with unique value propositions. Frugal innovation, developing cost-effective solutions that cater to the needs of emerging markets or resource-constrained customers. Circular economy, designing business models that promote sustainability by minimizing waste and maximizing resource efficiency. Co-creation and open innovation, involving customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders in the innovation process to generate new ideas and insights. These techniques offer a framework for businesses to reimagine their business models, adapt to changing market dynamics, and unlock new opportunities for growth and sustainability. Now, let's move on to Part 2, Entrepreneurial Finance. Entrepreneurial finance is the management of financial resources and the financial decision-making processes in entrepreneurial ventures. It focuses on securing funding, managing cash flows, and optimizing financial strategies to support business growth and mitigate risks. Let's explore some key concepts and strategies within entrepreneurial finance. Startup funding options. Entrepreneurs have several funding options available, such as bootstrapping, using personal savings, Angel investors, individual investors providing capital in exchange for equity. Venture capital, investment firms providing funding to high-growth startups. Crowdfunding, raising funds from a large number of individuals, and government grants or loans. Financial forecasting, developing realistic financial projections and cash flow forecasts to understand the financial needs of the venture and ensure sufficient resources are available to support growth and operations. Valuation techniques, determining the value of the entrepreneurial venture is crucial for fundraising and equity allocation. Valuation techniques include discounted cash flow, DCF, market comparables, and the venture capital method. Capital structure, deciding on the optimal mix of debt and equity financing to support the venture's growth objectives while managing risk and maintaining control. Financial risk management, identifying and mitigating financial risks such as market volatility, currency fluctuations, interest rate risks, and operational risks through strategies like hedging, diversification, and insurance. Exit strategies, developing exit strategies to provide liquidity to investors and founders, such as initial public offerings, IPOs, mergers and acquisitions, M&A, or management buyouts, MBOs. Financial governance, establishing financial governance practices to ensure transparency, accountability, and compliance with regulatory requirements, including financial reporting, internal controls, and risk management frameworks. Financial negotiation, effective negotiation skills are crucial in securing favorable terms with investors, lenders, and other stakeholders. Entrepreneurs must understand the financial implications and be prepared to negotiate terms that align with their business objectives. Financial performance monitoring, implementing robust financial performance monitoring systems to track key financial indicators, assess business performance, and make data-driven decisions. Capital budgeting, evaluating investment opportunities and allocating financial resources to projects with the highest potential returns, considering factors like payback period, return on investment, ROI, and net present value, NPV. Financial networking, building strong relationships with financial institutions, venture capitalists, angel investors, and other entrepreneurs to access capital, expertise, and valuable networks. Financial sustainability, balancing short-term financial objectives with long-term sustainability goals, considering environmental, social, and governance, ESG, factors and integrating sustainability into financial decision-making. These strategies within entrepreneurial finance empower entrepreneurs to make informed financial decisions, secure funding, and effectively manage resources to support the growth and success of their ventures. In summary, business model innovation and entrepreneurial finance are two critical pillars for entrepreneurial success. Business model innovation enables businesses to reimagine their value proposition, revenue streams, and operations to adapt to changing market dynamics and create sustainable competitive advantages. Entrepreneurial finance provides entrepreneurs with the tools and strategies to secure funding, manage financial resources, and make informed financial decisions that support growth and mitigate risks. By combining these two disciplines, entrepreneurs can unlock new opportunities, drive innovation, and build financially sustainable ventures. Embracing a mindset of continuous learning, adaptation, and strategic thinking is key to thriving in the dynamic and challenging landscape of entrepreneurship. Remember, innovation starts with a spark of creativity and the courage to challenge the status quo. As you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, embrace the power of business model innovation and entrepreneurial finance, and let your passion and vision guide you towards building a successful and impactful venture. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.